Hello guys, before you use the Swiffer Wetjet, I want you guys to sweep up the floor. Make sure it's nice and clean before you do anything else. So let's get started. How to use the Swiffer Wetjet. So how to take him up. So you're going to press that silver button. It's going to release the bottle. And then once it releases it, it'll be upside down. To put it back in, you want to have on that position, you're reading the Swiffer Wetjet upside down. This is how you put it in. You're gonna drop it like it's hot in the hole. Don't do anything to the cap. Just drop it right there like it's hot. Okay? Blow. You're gonna hear a click, and then you're gonna use the bony part of your palm to push it down. You're gonna hear a click, and to release it, like what I say, you push the silver button, and it will release the bottle. Okay? Put it back in, use the bony part of your palm, push it down, you're going to hear a click. So this is how you spray it. On the handle, press that silver button, and then the light will come out and we'll spray it out. Okay, I'll put the link on the description down below where you can buy this. See you guys later.